Okay, and welcome to today's video. We're just quickly going to be talking about why I think cases might be a really good investment for right now with Valve's new update that just dropped. If you don't know by now, Valve has implemented a 7-day trade reverse on all items. If you want to know more about the update, you can see my previous video, but in this video I'm going to assume that you already know what the update was about. This update will obviously take some time to getting used to, but in the whole it doesn't really affect us traders at all, just that the trades will take a little bit longer. In the new update, there also was a patch released that we can maximum have 1,000 items indirect in our inventory. Since we cannot move the item we just got traded, we cannot put it in a storage unit. It will be impossible to get it out of our inventory feed. What this means is it would be much harder to invest in bulk amounts of cases, but obviously it will still be possible to invest in cases. If you already have cases in your inventories, you're golden. If you do not have, I would start buying cases right now. If you listen to me for the next few minutes here, you'll understand why. If you want to get around the 1,000 case maximum, you can always buy off the Steam market. The Steam market is open. Obviously, it's a bit higher prices than if you buy from one of the websites online, but then you at least can open in a bulk amount. So all of these streamers, all of these people with more money that like to open a lot of cases, they will still be able to open cases in the exact amount of time, or they will still be able to buy the amount of cases that they want to open without any problem. But for us normal investors that are trying to get the lowest possible price, which maybe don't have thousands of dollars to spend daily on cases, then this trade effect doesn't really matter at all. If we're looking at the case prices, we can see a small drawback. We're down about 15 to 20% on most cases. In some cases, we're only down about 5% depending on which one you're looking at. As we can see on this statistic, we can see that cases are still, after the update, being opened quite a bit. Obviously, the Fever case is number one, but after that we can see several of these cases that are not in the active drop pool being opened by the thousands daily. If you don't know already, when you do open a case, that case is gone forever. It will never come back, and the skin you get from that case is the only skin that will ever be received from that case. What does this mean for us? If people are opening thousands of cases daily, of the cases that are not in the active drop pool, even after this update, I can assure you that the prices will go back up. A 20% decrease is quite a big decrease. We do also have some cases that just aren't dropping in price, and these are the ones that I see are the good investments as of right now. We're going to be talking about one case in specific. It's going to be the Operation Phoenix case. In here you have some of the best skins. You have the Asimov, you have the Redline, and obviously all of these skins here can be traded up to the Asimov and the Redline. So the Phoenix case has always been a case that everyone loves. It has some of the most iconic skins, and we can see here, if we go in on the graph, that it's just going up. It's slowly going up. People are opening this case. I am myself will be investing in the Phoenix case, and this is going to be my big recommendation. This goes for all of the cases, obviously, that aren't in the active drop pool. If we just quickly take a look at the Chroma case, I can almost guarantee it's going to be quite similar. Not to the same extent, but we can see here, just since 1 month, it's gone up about 25-30%, from 440 up until, about 20%. It's gone up in a month. Talk about gains. CS2 has had quite a bit of setbacks. We had a few setbacks already back in the CSGO, but even in CS2, when the game was released, we had quite a drawback. We can statistically see, looking back about 5 years, 10 years, that we do have these dips all the time. This is nothing compared to one of these dips. I see this market going much higher, and if I can be honest with you, I think cases and Sports and Field Overpass and the graphics collection are probably the way to go as of right now. Me myself, I'm mostly invested in the fillers, but I will be starting to build my case collection here as well. If you want to see my collection, I will leave a link in the description where you can follow along on all the cases I own. Right now I have quite a bit of cases, but I will slowly start investing to the cases that are not dropping actively. Okay, that was it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe if you want to follow more content exactly like this. I will try to post daily, and take care. Bye bye.